Hey guys, I know I haven't put out a video in a while, but I've got an election campaign to run and time is short. That being said, I'm still going to try and upload as many videos as possible, but yeah, like I say, time. So, today I would like to introduce you to a particularly interesting service which I have discovered. In fact, I've known about it for quite some time and it's been on my to-do list to make a video about it for a while now. It's called Penio, or at least that's what I've come to refer to it as. You can find it at pen.io, and the purpose of this website is to assist you in making what is essentially a blog post or a web page, but without having to go through the rigmarole of actually signing up to a new service and maintaining it through dynamic content and all that kind of stuff. And it takes away a lot of the effort. If you're the kind of person who isn't really that keen on blogging, who isn't really that keen on having a project that they want to keep updating, but would rather just put their message that they have for the world on a website and just put it out there and then essentially forget about it, just let the world read it at its leisure, then pen.io is probably a service which you will most likely appreciate. All you do is you go to pen.io, you put in the URL, so you have like a whatever your URL is .pen.io, so it's a nice short URL, and then you have a very simple, very minimalist interface where you can put in pictures and text, and that's about the gist of it really, and then you can put that into whatever message or post that you really want to do, and then let it out into the world. It's as simple as that. It's definitely worth trying out. And it's one that I've been playing around with a little bit. In fact, I'll put a link to a website which I've put together using pen.io down in the description to see what it's kind of capable of, but you're not really using that service for its features, you're using it for its simplicity and straightforwardness. It kind of falls into that Linux/Unix philosophy of having a service that does one job and does it particularly well, and pen.io is exactly that. If you just want to say something, maybe it's a blog post, maybe you want to say something anonymously and you just want to put it out there on the internet, that's a good use of the service as well. If you just want to write a poem, or possibly even use it to put your CV onto to give it an online presence, that's another way that you could use it as well. So yeah, it's worth checking out. Of course I'll put a link to it down in the description below, and I'll put a link to the website that I did. It's not a sponsor, but it's a website that I found particularly useful. I've never actually had a sponsor on this channel. So that's about it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. Just as a bit of a channel update, there are a couple of links down in the description which I would like to draw your attention to. The first one being a link to my personal YouTube channel where I put various posts on that aren't sort of tech related. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go and check that out. And I'll put a second link to my gaming channel. This is just the obligatory mention that I have a gaming channel, and there are daily videos pretty damn consistently on that channel. So if you're interested in some more consistent content from me, I'm getting through Deus Ex Human Revolutions at the moment. The next game on the list is Hitman Contracts, and I am hoping to get the original Hitman Codename 47 Let's Play up there pretty sharpish as well. So there's a lot of content on that website, but as it currently stands, not too many subscribers. So go and check it out if you're into games. Thanks very much for watching, and until next time, I've been Chris Ware, and you've been awesome. Take care now.